Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve this lead code problem. Uh, so the table name is views and these are the columns like article ID, author ID, viewer ID and view date. So they clearly mention there is no primary key. So you have the data set like this. From this data you want to extract this information. How are you going to do that? That is a task. So they given one condition also like write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. See, they given the author ID, they given the viewer ID also. That means they're clearly saying who whatever author ID is there, if that is matching with this viewer ID, then that data you want to get. So let's write the query, do this capitals, select. So you want this author ID, and also they clearly mentioned it as ID. So you have to use this alias function. Okay. So select author underscore ID as ID from which table views, then where the condition is what, author ID equal to viewer ID. Let's see, just run this, what happens. But you'll get some, it won't satisfy it because uh, you know. So why? Because you got the result like 744, but they're expecting 4 and 7. That means why? Because here this 7 is there, this is also satisfied, this 7 is there, this is also satisfied. So that's why you got the 7 multiple times. Sorry, only one time 7 is viewed, but 4 here is like viewed multiple times. So that's why you got the 4 multiple times. Yeah, here you can see. See, in this case, 7 is only one time. That author, whoever authors are there, they viewed viewer only one time they viewed. But 4 is there, they viewed multiple times. That's why you got multiple 4s. But they want only the, you know, so they don't want the multiple records. They want only, they're asking the condition like which particular author viewed. So they need that data. They don't want the duplicates. The same author viewed multiple times. They don't want the data. Who, which author viewed. So that data they want. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to group. You have to do this order by also. Order by means what it will do. It will do the things in ascending order because you have the results in ascending order. That's why you have to do. So after that, and also we have to do group by. Group by based on what? Group by based on author underscore ID. And then what? Order by. What it will do. Okay, we'll execute this, then we'll see. Order by why it is order by is important. Group by what it will do, it will group all the whatever data you are getting, so the data will be grouped. So now in this case, you got 7, every 7 is one only, that's why it doesn't make any sense. 4 is multiple are there, but it will group up to one. Now what you have to do, you have to arrange this in ascending order. Why? Because they are expecting in this ascending order. What it will do, group by, then order by. This is the sequence. These concepts are already covered in the tutorial. Just go through it. Okay. Now run this. This is executed successfully. So that's it. Let me submit this. Okay. See, satisfied. So this is all you have to do. Okay. Thank you.